What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. On today's agenda, let me wipe y'all off, man. On today's agenda, man, RnB is fixed, as y'all know. I need to road test it, make sure we got the cooling thing solved, and I want to test out the water pump, cause the water pump I put on there is a high volume or a high flow, so the car should run cooler. And I know I said I wasn't gonna rump on these things and then because of the car show coming up, but I can't help it. So I plan on making a shakedown to see, cause that when it happened, when I made that shakedown, I ran that number. It flatlined the gasket. So what better way than try it again? So we're gonna ride over to Lawless. I'm gonna holler at Jessica and get a chance to holler at him yesterday. Y'all can see they down there operating on meats. I dropped it off and we had stuff to do, so I ain't even see my boy yesterday. I be having on all day when I feel okay. Then sometimes the nerve get acting. But I worked out today, and on days I work out when I got some heat going through me and all of that, I actually feel better. I'm moving around better. I'm standing up. So I'm gonna go down there and holler at my boy and the rest of the crew. So we got RnB uncovered. Man, I'm finna fire up, and we gonna hopefully, man, she do what she do. Hopefully she do what she do, man. I'm liking this car better and better. She just get faster and faster, and I'm loving her, man. I'm falling in love with the car all over again. Cause she done came a long way. Y'all know this car really came a long way, and she ain't so slow no more. So I might actually take her out to the track. I might take her to the track this week too. One of the days, man, wife taking. Play around with her, man. Put the slicks on her and see what she do. So she said she ought to do better, cause she laid that number down on 24, boy. She alright. But yeah, that's the plan, man. We finna hop in. I'm tuning in to y'all on the GoPro. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. See, I had made the Lawless over here, man. Chilled out for a little bit. Y'all know, trying to get out the house, man. Trying to get out the house since I'm moving a lot better, I should say. I got the new Dragon. The new Dragon should be almost at the house too, man. They got a new model. Man. I ain't think about it. I said I brought my old one. I want to try the new one out. And then I really want to connect both phones. I'm gonna connect both of them. I'm gonna connect this one to my other phone and connect the new one and see if they read the same thing. Like, that's the perfect test. I got the old model and then I ordered the new model, so I want to see, man. I want to see. Old RnB, we road testing. She did great. She run cooler now. Actually, she run a lot cooler, cause I got a high flow water pump. So that little bro called me, y'all. So yeah, man, we're gonna get back. We finna make that shakedown though. We finna make a shakedown too and test it out again now. Hopefully it don't blow again. Y'all stay tuned. Tune in, y'all, on the GoPro. And we're gonna see what she do, man. See if I can go deeper than that 830. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we back, man. We back. Y'all saw my second shakedown, man. I ain't even put the first one up. It wasn't nothing to see. It ran a 9 something, and there was a hiccup. And even the second time it was a hiccup, man. I need to raise that rev limiter up some, cause really, where the car make peak power, you really supposed to go a little past that. And I can feel with the car make peak power. I need to rate the rev limiter about 300 more RPM. So I'm gonna have to pull the laptop out, go in there, punch some keys, raise that up. I'll do that sometime tomorrow. Cause it hitting that rev limiter quick. It went in there and said, duh, make me back off of it to get, and it still went at 866. So that's why I said this car pretty consistent. It pretty consistent on the first run. Like it'll run like 850s like clockwork in the road. No burnout, nothing. It'll run 850s, which I'm dying to get it to the track on these rims, cause I want to see what it'll do now. It would do now since it got a big exhaust system and all that. It ain't been back. It ain't been back since I upgraded, so I really want to see what it do now. So I came on back from Lolly because I got the call, or text I should say, from DJ, and wifey's transmission is ready. So me and wifey about to shoot down there right quick, grab her transmission, cause I've been dying to get her transmission in her car, man. And we got a pretty week. The rain coming in next week, so we're gonna get her transmission. I'm gonna go ahead and hit Herb up today to get Herb on standby. He'll be ready. So her transmission will probably be in this week. So we'll have that coming. Then we're going to test it. Well, y'all know I'm going to go test it. And we're going to compare how it ran the first time versus now. So we're going to, cause she need a stall converter. And I got that big, pretty, huge stall converter sitting up there in the box. Been sitting up there for about 3 months. Because I bought it before the car was even finished. So we're going to get that transmission. Then everything in the yard will officially have Showtime power in it. All the other cars got Showtime transmission. Hers was the only one, so we're gonna get that. Get her, put the transmission in, and then her car is really gonna wake up. I promise you. Remember what I said? When y'all see that car in action with the new transmission, gonna be more responsive, throttle response, everything gonna be better. It's really gonna wake up. So we about to go do that. Man, I'm really proud of this car, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna study. I'm finna go do some data and stuff on this car, cause it's something I ain't never looked at, and I think this car can do something that I never thought it can do. I really do. I'm gonna get all I can get out there 350. I love this little 350, 350 cubic inches. That's why I'm impressed with this. It's really a true 350 cubic inch motor, and the blower just make 4.5 pounds of boost. 4.5 to 5 pounds of it don't even touch 5 sometimes. I don't turn it hard enough to make 5 pounds of boost. So on average, this thing is on 3 to 4 pounds of boost, and it's doing what it do. And I won't turn it past that because it don't have the bottom end for it. It's not a forward bottom end and stuff. So for it to be a stock bottom end, I'm proud of it. Now when I do change it, which I am gonna change it, man. All my other stuff, excuse me, all my other stuff forwards. So when I do change it, except all my other stuff forwards. When I do change it, I'm gonna put a forward bottom end. I'm gonna give it a little more cubic inches. Cause bigger cubic inches do help make it better. And then I have an idea. I know how much the car weighs now. I have an idea how much power it'll make, and it'll be faster. Still reliable and still AC and all this stuff on it. And I'm gonna keep it blower power, old school blower power, cause that's impressive too. What you can do with them little blowers. Single power adder, I ain't putting no nitrous on it. They're just something else to tear up, and that make it more expensive. Blower power only. So when wifey get here, we going to go ahead and head to Showtime, get the transmission, and the draggy test, we probably gonna have that coming tomorrow. Cause I really do want to test and see how much more accurate this one is. Cause the new one's supposed to be a lot more accurate, but it ain't here yet. So this came up, so we're gonna have that coming tomorrow. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on. We get transmission, Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see wifey got her fresh new Showtime power, man. Look at that. Y'all make sure y'all hit my boy up. The thing fresh. I'm talking about fresh. I tell her the paint still feel like it's curing or something. It's sticky. But yeah, man, we got that Showtime transmission. Man, she excited. She already asked me. So we gonna put it in. Like I told her, I said, look, all them transmissions I done had sitting on the floor. She walked past mine. She just walked past it like, he just got another transmission. Now hers, before we even got from the shop good. So we ain't planning on putting it in. Especially when I got to telling her how much different it gonna be. So we ain't gonna put it in. Like, yes, she did. You ready? I'm just saying, like, she ready. Get out there. I told her when they go in here in that new converter, she ain't gonna know how to act. But I'm finna turn y'all back on in a minute, cause I'm finna catch a real car. Y'all know I can't grab this from any other time. I would grab it for real, but y'all know I can't. So it's on her. So why not get a real? Cause people go crazy when you be picking up stuff. Cause you be picking up so much. Hey, y'all got to see what she did, man, on my Instagram or on Facebook. She deadlifted these 24 right here. Y'all got to see that. Why you do 10? You just did it fast. Woo, woo. She could have snatched it through the ceiling. Light, yeah, it's something like she did it one time. I said, man, you should have did 10. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. It's the next day, as y'all can see. I forgot to close y'all out. We finna get to it and do some more work today. It's a good day, at least before the rain. I'm finna get to another video in, but said, man, y'all know we took RnB out. Y'all saw we took her out on the drive. She did good. Shout out to Herb for fixing the water pump. We ain't got no leaks. Let me walk around here. Y'all know that antifreeze, man, it'll stay on the ground. Ain't got no leaks. That's where the old, see, that's where it leaked out that first time we blew that water pump gasket. But she I'm on her right now, man. I'm testing and tuning. I'm tweaking on her behind the scenes and changing some stuff here and there, and she getting better and better, man. So, but we had the road test. We had the road test to make sure she good before we start really romping on her, which we did, and then discovered I need to raise the rev limiter because she getting on up there pretty easily. She getting on up there pretty easily, even on the big old tires. In my old head, the old head to say. But I'm excited, man. We got wifey transmission in, the converter here. Last night I went ahead and ordered her new torque converter bolts and new transmission, bell housing to block bolts. Went ahead and got ARPs, so we had them coming. Hopefully the plan is I hope they come tomorrow, and then Herb got me on schedule for I think Monday. Cause we got rain coming in today, rain coming tomorrow, 90% chance. So we ain't gonna be able to do nothing. But top of next week, right before the car show, Emma have the new transmission in. Then, you know, after we get that installed, man, we're gonna go through, do some testing, show y'all the difference. I can show y'all the ET difference and just the transmission and the converter. So we're gonna have that coming. I'm gonna shoot to the parts store today, get her transmission fluid. So then Herb had everything he need. She can reuse a transmission dipstick. So we good right there. I'm probably gonna go get the gasket though. I like the kind you put the long thing in and just boom. And she's gonna be getting her the Riley transmission cooler installed too, to keep that thing nice and cool. Y'all know her car already got braided lines and all that. And yeah, man, she'll be done. She'll be ready, drivetrain wide, rear end been built. All we gotta do is do the rotors and front calipers on her. Gonna put sliding and drill rotors on it and the wildwood calipers. And she'll be ready, man. Right after the car show, the plan is to get it over to J Hall Automotive and go ahead and get the paint remixed. We was gonna do it before, but then I messed around and got injured, man. The week I was going to drop it off, And that threw everything for a loop. Car had to go to urgent care and all that other good stuff. So y'all can look forward to seeing her car different color. And it's gonna be a few more things different. So y'all can look forward to that. But right now we're on that drivetrain. I can't wait. I'm more excited than her. She excited too though, cause she really had a transmission. Soon as we picked it up, she like, so when you gonna put it in? When you gonna put it in? So she excited too. You know, I'm excited for her so she can really feel her car, how it really gonna feel, and see how it really gonna move. Cause I promise you, it's gonna open it up. It's gonna be like night and day. We went over to Lawless, as y'all can see. We went over to Lawless. Get this, man. J Hog want to go over RnB too. We went to Lawless, man. Checked on meats. They ain't got started yet. But I might check today too, since it's the next day. I might check today and we'll see what's up. And I give a timeline on that, cause I got to have meats before. The car show too, man. I got it rest. I got to have everything. So I'm gonna go over there probably today, man, and I have an update for y'all on that. But that's it, man. We got transmission in. We're trying to keep y'all updated on everything, and we're gonna keep it rolling and all that. So appreciate time. We'll catch y'all later. BCG, we out.